Very good morning to one and all. Today's topic is estimation of retaining wall. So, a retaining wall is a structure that is used to retain a particular thing. The soil mainly act as a backfill, storing structure. Its components include strata, drainage wall, toe, heel, stem portion, base portion, and a key portion. So, these are the components of a retaining wall. Retaining wall has various types: it's gravity retaining wall, semi-gravity retaining wall, cantilever wall, counterfort wall, and buttress wall. These walls differ based upon the position, based upon the support, and based upon the backfill. Typical cross section of a gravity retaining wall. As we can see, it has a coping unit, an adhesive point, a wall unit, a 3/4 crushed stone, compacted gravel base, topsoil, existing site soil, filter fabric, drainage pipe, and foundation soil. Now let's move on to the question. Calculate the quantities of all items of work for the construction of a retaining wall for a length of 20 meters shown in the figure. So this is the figure that is showing the parts of the retaining wall with cement pointing. Thickness is given, coarse double masonry cement mortar is given, specification along with the cement concrete coping details is also given. Now let's move on. Excavation for foundation in ordinary soil 1, 20.3 is the length, 1.5 meter breadth, 1.8 meter depth. That makes a total quantity of 54.81 meter cube. Cement concrete for 1:60:18 for foundation 1, 20.3, 1.5, 0.6, that makes a total of 18.27 meter cube. Cement concrete 1:2:4 for looping wall, it's 1, 20.6.08, that makes a total of 0.96. Considering the remaining parts, that is coarse double masonry and cement pointing. So coarse double masonry and cement mortar, first step it is 120, 1.2, 0.9, 21.6. For the second step it is 120, 0.9, 0.6, 10.8. For the third step it is 120, 0.8, 0.6, 9.6. For the fourth step it is 120, 0.7, 0.6, 8.4. For the fifth step it is 120, 0.6, 0.6, 7.2. For the triangular portion, it is 120 half into 2.4, 0.2, that makes 4.8. That makes the total coarse double masonry and cement quarters is 62.40 meter cube. In case of cement pointing 1:2, the front side is 120 to 2.41 depth, that is 48.2. Back side along the surface is 120.7, it's 14. Ends above the surface, above and surface, it is 2.68, 0.62, that makes the quantity of 0.82. It makes the total quantity of cement pointing as 63.02. So these are all the things that is considered for the estimation of retaining wall. Thank you all for your attention. If you have any queries, kindly post them. Thank you one and all.